Hello, today we are practicing auscultation of the heart. This is our student name.
Myself Sana, I am from 2 to 4. Today we are going to check up the auscultation of heart. There are 5 points in auscultation.
Okay, first point.
First point, mitral valve. It was present in left side of mitral gland.
First, second. You need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And inside how much centimeter?
1.5.
Okay, listening. Small left side, put. Left side, small. Change.
And second one.
Listening this. Listen. You listening now? Working your find this one. Okay, put.
And second, aortic valve. It was present in right side of sternum. Second intercostal line. And the third one, pulmonary valve. It will present in left side of the sternum. Second intercostal line.
Okay. Second, knee is sternum. Okay.
Third, tricuspid valve. It was present near the xiphoid process.
Okay.
Fourth, the Putkena's H point.
Okay.
It was present in the right side of sternum at the fifth intercostal line.
Okay.
Third intercostal line.
Third intercostal. No line. Third intercostal space, knees, sternum, left side. But okay. This is first intercostal space. Second, this is deep palpation. And third, and after need go where?
Near the sternum.
Okay, put. You listening sound?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.